Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You will use the Chromebook as the internet provider, so start by enabling its hotspot or USB tethering. On Chrome OS Open settings, go to Network, then turn on Wi-Fi hotspot, name it and set a strong password. Once done, connect your iPhone to that hotspot in Settings Wi-Fi. Make sure the iPhone is charged and back up to iCloud quickly. This protects your data if the update needs a restore. Now, keep the devices close and stable. Do not switch networks. You will trigger the OTA update from the iPhone while using the Chromebook's connection. On the iPhone, open Settings, General, Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Because the hotspot supplies the data, the download behaves like any Wi-Fi update. Make sure the Chromebook remains online and does not sleep. Once the iPhone finishes downloading, it will prepare the update. This can take several minutes. Follow on-screen prompts, enter your passcode, and allow the device to restart to complete the install. Once the iPhone reboots, check Settings General About to confirm the version. Make sure apps and services work. If the update error occurs, free up storage on the iPhone by deleting media or apps and then try again. Disk space is the most common blocker. If downloads stall, reboot the Chromebook and iPhone and reconnect the hotspot. As a final fallback, tether the iPhone to the Chromebook with a Lightning to USB-C cable and enable USB tethering on the Chromebook before repeating the update steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.